Hello lead coders, I'm back with my new question on my YouTube channel, that is single number 2. So this is the question of June lead code challenge. So the question is, given a non-empty array of integer, every element appears thrice except for one, which appears exactly one. Find that single one. So we have to find the single integer that appears only once, except all other elements in that array appears three times. For example, in this example, 2 appears 3 times and 3 appears exactly once, so the output is 3. So in this example 2, 0 appears 3 times, 1 appears 3 times, and 99 appears only one time, so the output is 91. So we can, how can we do this problem? We can think of bit manipulation. So bit manipulation is very good data structure or method that can be used to solve this kind of problem in linear runtime complexity. So how can we do that? So we have to observe the set bits of every number. Like in 2, the bit representation is 0 1 0. So if we add every bits of the 2, then we can find that the second bit, that is 1 of 0 0 1 0. So we can add 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, that is multiple of 3. And uh, and for uh, for example, in 5, so the bit is 105 101, then we can eliminate there is no set bit in second number, but there is 3 set bit in second number for 2, so we can eliminate by the help of that method. uh, it is a bit lengthy, but complex, but we can observe this by the help of this example. So in this example, 2 2 2 5, so 5 is the answer. So 2 represented in the bit representation is 0 1 0, and 5 representation is 101. So the set bit is second bit. So if we add this second bit, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So this is 3, because 2 appears 3 times, so it is always said that there is always, it is the multiple of 3 always. And 1 appears only once, so the 1 is there, and 1, so 131. And in the sum array, sum we can take as modulus of 3, like 1 modulus 3 is 1, then 3 modulus 3 is 0, then 1 modulus 3 is 1. So in this way we can eliminate the 3x. It is like the form of algebraic expression like 3x plus y, in which x is the a bit of that appears thrice, and y is the bits of that appears only one time, 3x plus y, like this, 3 3x plus y. So here y is like the bits of this, that is this, then x is the bits of uh, that appears 3 times. If we can eliminate this multiple of 3, then we can easily find a solution. Let's see this in code. So we can use bitset for this kind of operation. Bitset, I talked about bitset in previous videos, you can check that out. Let's see in code. So bitset is defined in C++ in this way. So we have to, I am taking 32-bit representation. uh, because this is basically the int integer. If there is long, then it acts accordingly, like 64 bits and all, and so on. 64 bits, then 128 bits, and so on. I'm iterating from for every bit 0 to 32. Then for every bit initial sum is equal to 0. Then I'm iterating for every nums element of nums from 0 to nums dot size j plus plus, sorry. Now we have to add all the set bits in that bit. So we can do it by this. This operation is basically tell us if that bit is set or not. If there is if it is set, then sum plus 1 sum is equal to sum plus 1. If not, then sum is equal to sum plus 0. Now I was talking about modulus of 3. So bits of I is equal to sum modulus 3. So we can use this method for every kind this kind of problem, like if every element appears 4 times, or if every element appears 5 times, 6 times, then we can simply set this bit like sum modulus 4 for 4 times, then 5 for 5 times, and so on. So at last we have to return the integer representation of this. This is it. I think this should work. Yep. Hope you find this helpful. Video. So comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.